It's incredibly important for you to read your pre-sentence investigation report draft and then timely file your objections, if there are any, in order to inform the judge and probation that the report needs to be amended. We recently had a PSR come out for one of our clients, and I'm reading this report and it says client has taken origami classes while incarcerated, and there's no way the client did origami. If we could pick one person in the world who was least likely to do origami, it was gonna be that client. And I called my co-counsel who I did the case with, and I'm like, origami? And my co-counsel's laughing because he also knows it's really ridiculous and there's no way the client did origami. So when we go to see the client, we're like, tell us about origami. And he's like, what's that? And we tell him, and the client's like, I got real big hands. I can't fold little paper to make animals out of it, after we explained to him what it is. And so that was a mistake, and somehow it made its way into the PSR, but had we not read it, had the client not looked at it, no one would have known that that was an objection that needed to be made, requesting the correction to the programming that the client did while incarcerated. So it's incredibly important that you read the report, even if the corrections do not impact your guidelines, even if the objections are just clarifying objections. You need to read that report word for word, and I get it, it's very long, it's like 25 to 45 pages, but go through it sentence by sentence, make sure you understand, make sure it's accurate, and also make sure that everything that you've said to probation is included in the report, because you do have about 2 weeks to go to the judge and say, the following things need to change. You have about 2 weeks to go to probation to say, we're raising the following objections. You need to make sure you read it. You need to make sure that you do it timely, because if you don't correct something, if you don't object to something, that stays in the report.